Hello, my name is Youssef from VAR Real Estate. I'm the site engineer at Harmonia Villas project. We are doing 8 villas here in Cantonment. Let's go and see. So the 8 villas are divided into 4 blocks. Each block is adjacent in 2 villas. For each villa, we have a private parking for 2 cars and we have a private swimming pool too. For the 8 villas, we have finished the footings, neck columns and the ground beam casting. So we are on the top now and the superstructure concrete. For block A, we have casted the ground floor columns and the ground floor slab, as you all can see. Now what we are doing in block A is the formwork for the first floor columns. While for block B, in that block, we have casted again the ground floor columns and the ground floor slab. We are doing the iron rods for the first floor columns, to be followed of course with the formwork for these columns. Block C, we are preparing for the ground floor slab. The formwork is done here. We will start the iron rods for the ground floor slab. But for block D, we are done with the first floor columns. We are making the formwork for the first floor slab. As well as at block D, we have started the block works, of course, after the membrane insulation issue. Block works is almost done in block D and the first fix MEP to start. So for the coming days, we are going to concrete the first floor columns at block A and B, and then the block works will start and the formwork for the first floor slab will continue. Regarding block C, ground floor slab at block C, and then the first floor columns. While for block D, the first fix MEP at the ground floor will start and finish, and the plastering works will start. So see you on next update. Thank you.